Hey, Flutter enthusiastic, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to convert Figma UI into Flutter code in just 5 minutes. So let's start. You can see I've opened this free to use Figma UI for mobile device. You can make preview of UI by pressing on this play button. So we are going to convert this same UI into Flutter code. So for doing that, open a new tab on your favorite browser. Now search for Dwise. And now open the first URL, dwise.com. And here select this, sign for free option. Now here select the option, by which you want to sign up. Here I'm going to select, continue with Google option. Here I'm selecting my mail ID, then press the continue option. And here I'm having my free Dwise account. Now here select the option, which describes you best, here I'm selecting freelancer. Now select your technical knowledge level. Then select the type of application, which you want to build using Dwise. And then answer few more similar questions. After doing that all, Dwise dashboard is opened up. Now from here we can create new application, using these 3 options. Or from this above drop down. Now if you select this create from templates option. Then here we will have some UI option, by which we can create application. And if you want to create UI directly from Figma, then tap on this create new app. After this select the platform for which you are developing the application. Now we are developing for mobile, so here select mobile. Now on this tab select the technology, we are building app in Flutter, so here select Flutter from this drop down. Now select the Figma from Design Platform drop-down. Now we need to connect our Figma account with Dwise. So now tap on this Connect with Figma button. Now here tap on Allow Access option. Now here we need to paste the URL of Figma UI. So open the UI and copy the URL of this page. Now paste this URL here, and now tap on this Create a New App option. Now wait for few seconds, until it getting the UI details. Now select the screens for which we want the Flutter code. So here I'm selecting this Select All Pages option. So that it will generate the code for these screens. And now tap on Submit Page. Now here we have our project details, like package name and bundle ID. Now tap on this Next button. Now on this new page, select this Next button. Now here tap on this OK, got it, option. Now wait for few seconds, until it's getting completed. So here Dwise created widgets for our application. Now tap on this Let's Start option. Now from here select your splash screen for your application. Now select the home screen, which will come after the splash screen. Now submit it. Now Dwise will generate the code. Now here in this Figma UI, we don't have these font styles. So select this Continue with Roboto font. Now on this screen select Build App. Now from here select the State Management technique. As we don't want any kind of state management, so here I'm selecting this Without State Management option. Now tap on this Build Without State Management. Now it started building our application. Now tap on this View Code option. And yeah, as you can see our Flutter code has been generated. Now if you come on this lib folder, then there is all directory structure is created. Now tap on this Download Code option. Now select this Download option. So here our code is downloaded. Now come on this Download folder, and extract the zip folder. Now open the Android Studio. And from here open the newly downloaded project. So our project is opened. Now whenever you open the new project, first open the pubspec.yaml file. Then tap on this pub get option. So that all our dependency will get installed. Now here as you can see Dwise has generated the code in proper architecture. Now our application is installed successfully. And as you can see, we have our app with the perfect UI, as we have seen on the Figma UI. And that's it for this video. So if you like this video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.